this condition, this program, the outer conditional contains two branches. The first branch contains a simple statement, this simple statement. The second branch contains another if statement. The second branch is the body of this else body is called. This is the second branch. So this second branch contains another if statement. This second branch contains another if statement, which is given here, which has two branches of its own. If sigi branch anilere, sigi branch ama, sigi branch ama. So those two branches are both simple statement. So branch one is simple statement. Another branch is also another simple statement. Although they could have been conditional statements as well. So there's sigi branch there's if and taro matang chat kibi have nila. So kaide sigi branch there's matang if taroga matang chat kibi. So I repeat. So the nesting having so the if statement we have one if statement here. Inside this if statement, we have another if statement. This is called nesting. If statement manungda if statement ama nesting nesting nesting. It's nested. Okay. So that although the indentation of the statements make the structure apparent. Although the indentation of the statements make the structure apparent, nested conditionals become difficult to read very quickly. So the amagi manung the amakatang nest of unika. Nest the nested conditionals become difficult to read very quickly. And it is a good idea to avoid nesting whenever you can. Nesting avoid there should be an alternative. The alternative is logical operators. Logical operators often provide a way to simplify nested conditional statements. For example, we can rewrite the following code using a single conditional. This is one nested conditional statement, and this is the same program rewritten using logical operators. So let us study the first one, the first program. X equals 2. So the value 2 is assigned to the variable x. X equals 2. If 0 is less than x, if x is greater than 0. 0 is less than x, having nota x is greater than 0. If this condition is satisfied, C condition satisfied, C statement run to C condition satisfied, do nothing. If this statement is not satisfied, do nothing. So if 0 is less than x, so is this condition true or false here? X is equal to 2. This is true. This is true. If x is less than 10, x is 2, this is again true. If x is less than 10, print x is a positive single digit number. Print x is a positive single digit number. X is 0 10 x is a single positive. Sorry, x is a positive single digit number. Let me change the value of x. Say, let us write x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Let us look at the first condition. If 0 is less than x, is this condition true or false? False. False or is the else. If this is false, do nothing. Do nothing. So false or statement, all these statements are neglected. So since the first condition is false, magi corresponding body, which is this, its body is neglected. So the else ki else ki body what do we get? We get nothing. Do nothing. So when I run this, there will be no output. Output later. Swine Togdana, if I say x equal to 12. If x is equal to 12, first condition 0 less than x, this is true. First condition is satisfied. Then ma satisfied or magi sigi condition is satisfied or if ki body body is the if amagam yarome if statement. If x is less than 10, now is this condition satisfied? No, this condition is not true. This condition is false. Else else do nothing. So when I run this, there will be no output. Okay. So let me write x equal to 5. X equal to 5. The first condition is true. The second condition is also true. So this statement will be executed, and I get x is a single digit number. X is a positive single digit number. So the print statement runs only if we make it past both conditionals. Condition animax is satisfied already. So print statement is executed whenever. So we can get the same effect with the AND operator. Last time operator. Let us look at the operator. I'm slow. Operators and expressions. Operators are going to AND. I have a logical operator. I'm going to discuss the So the arithmetic operator like the Python bitwise operator like logical operators and the logical operator. If both the operands are true, the condition becomes true. This in high this is like AND gate. AND gate common have aduna and hadi AND gi mamang the summoning the sunat ko AND gi left to right to like true or the output will be true. Head false over the output will be false. When AND the han can give the so the A is not true ni, B is not false ni, aduna true amaga false amaga AND already, the output will be false. Animaxis chumakanda output will be true. A is true, B is true, or the true amaga AND already true tani high. So let us come back here. In this program, if this condition is if this condition is true and also this condition is true, then this line will be executed. Natra. Although see condition and is an end option logical and operation. So condition is x greater than 0 or 0 less than x. Second condition x less than 10. X less than 10. Condition uneasy logical operator and joint or she's true. When both these conditions are true, only then this statement will be executed. If any one of them is false, this statement will not be executed. So 0 less than x and x less than 0. When both these conditions are true, only then this statement will be executed. Programs, it can be shortened using the logical AND operator. So x equal to 5, x equal to 5. So if 0 less than x, this is true. X is 5 already, 5 is greater than 0. So this is true. 5 is less than 10. This is also true. So both of these are true, and true and the output will be true again. So true already, this statement will be executed. So let me run this. X is a positive single digit number. X ki value kya no? X ki value is 5 half crab. Okay. Senior logical operator kanaba. For this kind of condition, Python provides a more concise option. More concise option. This is Sigi Anise. I can combine these two conditions in this way. So this first condition and this second condition, this can be combined in a single way like this. combine to 0 less than x, x less than 10. It is combined like this. 0 less than x, x less than 10. There you go. So if Haraga 0 less than x, x less than 10, then print x is a positive single digit number. So if both these conditions are satisfied, then this statement is executed. Here we have assigned x is equal to 5. So x5 half from the. So when I run this cell, both these conditions are true since x is 5. So this statement is executed. There you go. So let us look at another program to check whether a given number is true, odd or even. Odd or even, I'm like to divide, but we are going to even divide we are going to odd. So input function to num num equal to integer input enter n number. I don't enter a number. I don't enter a number. So when I run this cell, so you quite first line see hana execute torani. So input na kari hire input na magi inside the magi bracket manung dile riba string jimana hana short torani enter a number short torani aduga sigi ekoida keyboard tagi number ama enter toro na man ngai le ni man ngai le ko. And when I enter the 20 have numbers hapage aduga 20 have numbers hapaga, and when I press enter namage, when I press enter name pedore sigi int haribasina 20 hariba numbers integer do onto. Last time I give input china kadowa input, it converts any number you enter into a string. And enter to any number do integer or floating, it always converts it into a string. Input in a string don't ever. Integers in the amuk kadore string do integer to onto ever. And that integer value is stored in the variable num. So the number which I entered 20, this 20 is stored as an integer in the variable num. Next, I define a new variable which is remainder. Remainder is defined in the following form. Remainder equal to num percentage 2. Num percentage 2 you divide the number num by the number 2 and find the remainder. This will give you the remainder. Seasonal remainder between num percentage 2 will give you the remainder when that number is divided by 2. What do we do? Whatever number you get, you'll get either 0 or 1 here. So either 0 or 1. Whatever value you get, you assign it in the variable remainder. Remainder. Now, if remainder is equal to 0, if remainder is equal to 0, if this condition is true, print the number is even. Remainder 0 the number is even. Else if the remainder is 1, else print the number is odd. Since the number I entered is 20 and 20 is divisible by 2, the first condition is satisfied. Remainder is equal to 0, so the number is even. Let me run it again and let me give the number 65. 65, enter num again, keyboard enter num. 65 already, num divided by 2 is 65 divided by 2 is remainder 1 tarani. If remainder equal to 0, this condition is not satisfied, so this statement is neglected. So you branch it roy, branch lani, else branch lani, else branch the number is odd. The number is odd. So this is what I wanted to discuss about decision making and branching. There are three homeworks. Write a Python program to print the largest of 3 numbers using if-else statements. The largest of 3 numbers. Write a Python program to print the largest odd number among 3 numbers. 3 number money, 3 number largest odd number. Write a Python program to check if a given year is a leap year or not. Leap year or have to check on Python program. Number homes was the yam laire. If it is divisible by 4. Mana leap year where aduga mana divisible by 4 oidragadi leap year oidre adubu sahi jina karigumba magi last two digits se year dugi last two digit tuna 00 whatever say for example 1000 2000 3000 4000 smile whatever adu taragadi leap year oini natraga oiroi habagi condition se karino for that year to be a leap year it should be divisible by 400 400 nate ko sahi I repeat I think sahi sahi do say for example 2100 hai gane 2100 2100 hai 2100 hai sahi ji magi last two digits 00 na loi dena ko when last two digits 00 na loi bata gadi leap year oi gi hai gadi the that year should be divisible by 400 4 na yeng da nate ko 400 na yeng da ba aduga last two digits na 00 oidragadi it should be divisible by 4. I repeat, if the last two digits are 00, then it should be divisible by 400. And if the last two digits are not 00, then it should be divisible by 4. Think about it and try to write the three programs. Sigi program Sigi reading material I think I have already shared the reading material on your Google Classroom.